Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Gulshan Nawar. I say warm welcome to all of you who is watching to me on my Facebook profile, that is Gulshan Education Wali. Again in my studio I have a guest, that is ChatGPT, and I want to make a wonderful conversation with ChatGPT on the topic of uh, failure and opportunity. How to learn from failure, and in which way you turn your failure into an opportunity. So, making a discussion with ChatGPT. Hey ChatGPT, how are you? ChatGPT, can you hear me? Hello, hello. Can you hear me? Hello, ChatGPT. Can you hear me, ChatGPT? I want to make a discussion with you.
Hey, what's up? Feel free to ask me about
Yeah,
anything that's on your mind.
I
I'm
want
ready
to
to go.
make a discussion with you. Are you free? Are you free? Are you free, GPT? Hello? 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 Can you,
Hey, what's up? Feel free to ask me about anything that's on your mind. I'm ready to go.
uh, are you free? There is some issue on internet. That is why ChatGPT did not respond to me. There is an issue on the side of ChatGPT, and that is why she did not respond to me. What is failure? And how you can lie or distinguish that is failure, and which circumstances are responsible for making a failure, and what is opportunity, uh, where is the limit line between failure and opportunity, how you can distinguish this is failure, this is an achievement. All these questions are here with me, which I want to make a discussion in with ChatGPT, but there is some issue. Uh, that is why I didn't make a good discussion with ChatGPT. I think lack of lack of preparation, unexpected challenges, and wrong strategies are also affect the level of achievement. Your way of planning, your way of strategy is also affect you. If you have, if your mind is not focused, then you will not be able to conceive a level to achieve a goal. First of all, you should try to make a mindset. then you should to do work hard for it. If you do this, then you get, then you should having a good way of working. You should know about your prioritization. You should know about your preparation for a specific goal, for a specific task. If you do this, then you will be get what we get from failure and make it into an opportunity. I think when a person fail on some task, then he will have a clarity. Then he will have a clarity about that task. Where is the mistake present? Where is the a flaw? Where is the flaw which he should be to fill? Then to make a person successful, to make a failure into a successful achievement, you should have a patience. You should have to face to pay patience. You should have to pay patience. And if you have some kind of creativity, if you have some kind of creativity and self awareness, your creativity, your self awareness also are the both factors which they make your failure into an achievement. You should ask yourself what went wrong, where went wrong, and how went wrong. If you fill this graph, then you should know where is the mistake, where is the point of setback, where is the point which is ready to change that point and make that failure into an achievement. Thank you so much. Failure is not opposite to the success, it's a part of success. If you did not make a failure, then you will not be able to make yourself a successful person. You don't get an achievement, because trial and errors are part of a practice, a part of learning activity, a part of a cognitive domain where learning activities are going to be held, and you get from error when you do a trial. So do it and get it. And practice makes a person perfect. When you do practice, then you will be master on that task. So thank you so much.